shooting back to back, you would be seeing me in this avatar like in 3 to 4 videos. Just got time, so I thought why not just shoot quickly and then probably later I'll just edit and then. So today's video is a blush palette, and this is Sivana Colors blush. This is in the shade number 2. These are ultra blush palette from Sivana Colors. I have been meaning to buy this one from a really long time, and finally I got it from an Instagram store, and these are really amazing blushes. I think this one just cost me 350 rupees or 380 rupees. The exact price will be on the screen like right here and also in the description box if you want to check that out. Mine is in the shade number 2. They have, I guess, 5 blush palettes. It has a mix of peach and pink, like it has more of peaches and less of pinks, and then a contour shade and a highlight shade, and there are others which has just pinks and then peaches. I'll insert an image of all the blush palettes that you want, like all the blush palettes from Sivana Colors in like right in here, so that you guys can make out which you want and which you don't. I really wanted to have this because like you have just one palette and you're sorted. It has peach to pinks to nudes and like to dark peach to pink and peach mix to actually pink, and then you have a highlight shade as well, you have a contour shade as well. So I really wanted to buy this, and plus it was really affordable. 350 rupees for a blush palette, and it resembles so much with the Makeup Revolution blush palette. It has almost all the shades that it has, but with an affordable price. So if you want to buy, I would mention the Instagram page right here, like right here. You can go and check them out. They have amazing products as well. But let's talk about this. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a cardboard packaging which has Sivana Colors written right there. There are chandeliers and some vanity desk right there, and yeah, it's really cute packaging. I really like the packaging, and at the back they have mentioned all the ingredients, which is really nice that they have mentioned the ingredients. It does have parabens, I can see that, but usually I've seen products do not mention the ingredients, but it has. The packaging is really classic, and it is made of cardboard, and when you open it, get this plastic casing which has Sivana Colors written right there, and you can see through all the colors of the palette. So it has a pink shade and a few pink mixed with peach. It's a very earthy nude kind of eyeshadow palette. It also comes with a highlight and a contour kit, and at the back when you see, you again see all the ingredients. So if you do not have the cardboard casing, you can always look for whatever ingredients it has, and the palette number is written right there. So I have 02. There are like 5 other palettes. So when you open it, it doesn't have a mirror. Instead it has a see-through packaging, and you have all the blushes. And if you see, and if you look at the blushes, they are really amazing sizes, like they are decent amounts. You have the pinkier one, then some nude kind of blushes, then you have a peach, a bit of orange shade right there, and then you have the contour and the highlight shade. It's so amazing, and it doesn't come with a applicator, neither a sponge applicator. It's just plain simple palette. It's really good in fact, because anyways those brushes are not useful, and with the price that you're paying, this is a decent amount of product that you are getting. This is how it looks like. With the price, you get lots of things here. I really like the packaging, the outer, the inner as well. Can't say more about it. Literally can't say more about it. I'm so much in love with this palette that nothing else to say. Let's move on to the swatches. I'll do my hand swatches and then I'll use one of them. This one is a really pink one, and let's see. Then the next one in the top row is peach mixed with pink, and ooh, that is awesome. The third one in the top row is again peachish pink. You can see that it's peachish pink, and then we have the highlight shade. So this is the first one in the first row, which is absolutely pink, matte pink. Then you have the more peachish, warmer kind of a shade. Then we have more pinky peach kind of a shade, and then finally we have the highlight, which is a pearl finish highlight. And if you move on to the bottom row, then we have, just switch it here. So we have this one, which is again quite close to this one, but it has a bit more pinky to undertones. And then the next one, second one in the bottom row, is this one, which is way too pinkier and way too peachy, like intense peach and intense pink. I don't know how to get that. And then the third one in the bottom row is again this one, which is quite orangish, and it has a bit of sheen to it, like this one. And the third one, like this one in the top row, has a bit of sheen to it, both of these. And the last shade in the bottom row is this one, which is a contour shade. This is the bottom contour shade. Then we have the highlight shade from the top row, a pinky shade, neutral shade, pinky kind of a shade from the top row. This is again a peach undertoned, and from the top row a pink, matte pink from the top row. This one is the first mixed peach, lots of pink mixed with lots of peach. And we have lots of pink mixed with a little bit of peach. And then we have a bit of orangish peach kind of a thing, which is sheen, which has a bit of sheen to it. So these are all the shades on this palette. These are all the shades. These are very well pigmented, and they will last on you for around 4 to 5 hours. This highlighter is amazing, and the blushes has a really good staying power as well. I am going to try one of this color, probably this peach one, on myself. They are really amazing, yet they are a bit powdery, like a bit. I'm also going to use this highlight shade on top of my blush. It's amazing, look at that. It's a really subtle highlight, and it has a pearl finish to it. So I really like the highlight. It has a really beautiful pearl finish to it, and the blush as well is amazing. These are really pigmented blushes, and that you are paying, you're getting an amazing product. I really like this palette. The colors are really amazing. They're well pigmented. The price is really amazing. This is a dupe of the Makeup Revolution blush palette, and you get a bronzer or contour, as well as a highlight along with all those 6 blushes, which are so amazing and are so apt for Indian skin tones, except for this pink one, which I can probably use as a eyeshadow. All the 5 other are just so apt for my kind of skin tone or for deeper skin tone. They have another palette which has all the peachish, like hardcore peach shade, which is also amazing. I actually wanted that one, but nonetheless I got this one. This is also amazing. That was all about the Savannah Colors blush palette. I hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it was, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you next time with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye.